Today we're gonna be installing the Tenaxity banners. Winston should be pulling up soon, but you know we got an off day. No classes today, baby. Yeah, we're about to just wash our cars and then yes sir. We got the boy Winston pulled up. Ah, there we go. That's how we do it. And did y'all want to use sponges to wash the car too, or just like this?
We can rub it down. You want it? We'll rub your shit down.
What did he say?
Yeah, we'll just rub your shit down.
Charlie pulled up and then Brian pulled up. But I think we're gonna start installing it now. This is how the logo looks. What does that Japanese say again? It's like I think
Don't
it said
stop,
yeah,
keep
don't
going. Something like that.
This is like don't stop here. Or put the strips on first.
Yeah. But like it's gonna be like
yeah. You know Winston's a test subject. He's a test subject, so it's fine. And then Vince is gonna be the next test subject.
it's always me. Look at my boys hard at work.
Accidentally
Huh? Did you what happened?
it ripped a little bit, but
Oh, it's on the edge.
it's on the edge.
Yeah,
On the edge,
that's
bro.
fine.
Nothing to worry about.
Don't worry about. Yeah, it's not your car.
Bro, no one's gonna know.
Oh, Vince, you good?
I think we're good.
We good.
We'll just cut it and then.
Oh, it's slowly goes.
Hey, what the? Hey, yo.
We mobbing deep to Costco later, right?
What did you say again, bro?
We mobbing deep to Costco.
Exactly.
Yup.
Costco's gotta be our first photo shoot with the banners on
Costco gas.
and food.
Yeah.
You can't beat that, bro. Like
$4 for a meal.
exactly. Yesterday we went $4.84.
Yeah. 484.
I didn't even finish my food.
What? Hot dog?
Rap God Charlie.
Yes, sir.
Wrapping Vince's car.
What you broke for carbon fiber?
When you too broke for carbon fiber. We're gonna wrap this. And Vince out here correcting his
My mistake.
side skirts. Yep. Ran over a curb. R.I.P.
So we finally got the banner on.
Clean.
This is me right now.
Oh. Wait. Whoa. Do it again. No, do it again, bro.
No, hey, Charlie.
Hey,
I think,
Funny video.
Hey, bro.
Culture.
Faster progress. Vince's like looks really nice because he has the front shield ones.
Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks.
What?
Oh, what? I like mine. I like how his shit curves too. Like,
Yeah.
his curves more than mine.
What did he say?
This shit curves like my penis.
Which way?
Down to my booty hole.
Let's see it.
But yeah, we're gonna try to put on the logo now. Yes, sir. We got Vince's on. It's fucking amazing.
what?
Nah, do it with, bruh.
The black looks so much better.
Yeah, the black looks so much better.
That's hella fucking low, bro.
I know.
Here's a slight POV of what Vince will see.
Bro, this thing like fucks it up more than the bottom.
That's the POV, bruh.
Huh?
That's the POV.
POV right there, bro. Look at that shit, bro.
Yeah, this little gap, but it looks nice though.
So yeah, it looks so nice. I think it should have been smaller.
Nah, fuck it, man.
I just
No, the
I
word.
always trim it.
That's fine.
It's because you guys have small ass windshields. On Winston's it looks fine. Yeah. Yeah, see, Winston has hella room to look, I think.
I don't give a fuck about the outside. It's just the outside.
You have hella room to look, right? Room to see?
Just like their lights, not.
It's still decent.
Yeah.
Okay, bro.
Fuck it.
Back. Winston and Jason are done. I mean, Winston and Vince are done. Look at that. Shit fire. And then now we're doing my car and Jason's. Hey, Vince. We'll see. Hey, don't worry about it, bro. Your backup camera, bro. Modifying your backup camera.
Oh, yo. Blacking out back.
Oh, backup camera delete.
Look, this is the cheapest backup camera delete, bro.
Yep. Right there.
Hey, someone hold this.
what's it called? When you pull up to your homie's house and they don't give you a blanket. This guy.
Jason just put on his banner.
Really how you be driving today.
Kind of clean. I think out of all, he has the best one because his windshield is like the biggest, so he's still can see a lot. But
I have a lot of vision, right?
yeah, a lot of vision. Really clean.
can't see, bruh. I can't see, guys.
Bro, that looks perfectly normal.
Yeah.
Like nothing ever happened.
That looks like mine, bro. Without the banner.
Really?
Actually clean. Really clean.
Compared to yours, it's like, okay, it feels like twice as much.
So, we are about to go to Costco to get some food. I'll probably update y'all when we get there. Made it to Costco. We actually look like a crew now. Costco, baby. I don't know. Alright, y'all, we at Costco. Yeah.
Halfway through the glizzy already.
Damn, what'd you get?
Huh?
What'd you get, bro? Hot dog and pizza? Dude, I should've got some pizza.
Me too. I'm feeling myself.
I saw the pizza, I was like, damn, that would be buzzing. Brian got some chicken wings. Show him that big bite, Brian.
I got more. I got hella glizzies here.
Why can't you put it on the floor? Just put it on the seat.
Put it on the table for all of us.
Is it for Vince?
Nah.